Let's draw a brick from BRB. Draw a big round circle at the top of your paper. This will be the face. From the bottom of the head, draw 2 slanting lines going down. Join them with a short line to make a small triangle shape. This helps us place the body. At the bottom, draw 2 rounded legs like upside-down U shapes. On both sides of the body, draw small curved arms. Add tiny fists at the end of each arm. Draw a curved line across the face for the cap. Add a small half circle on top for the cap button. Draw a tiny curved line to show an angry mouth. Behind the arms, draw zigzag shapes on both sides. Draw small lines on the shoes to make them look sporty. Draw 2 big oval eyes. Inside each eye, draw another circle. Make the eyes look angry by tilting them slightly. Now outline your whole drawing with a black marker to make it bold and neat. Draw red circles around the black pupils. Make the red and black stripes on the shirt. Color the pants black. Color the cap brown. Use light yellow to color face and body. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Easy Art Academy for more fun drawings. Bye-bye!